Eve tricked Adam to pluck apple and eat even though the access to it was forbidden. Human emotions are the weakest element in the cybersecurity chain. The best of protection will fail due to human stupidity. Brains can be re-engineered to think in a particular way. The helpful nature of human being is very well exploited by cybercriminals. The psychological manipulation is so effective that it can trick employees and even people to reveal sensitive and confidential data. How is this social engineering attacks conducted? A malicious email link is sent, a notice from a law enforcement followed by a spoofed phone call, a password reset fake message, a CD of security update, a pen drive labeled as confidential data or CEO remuneration, contains an auto-run virus, the virus which auto-executes, a ransomware or trojanized web links, a threat or sense of urgency to act, a scam online survey, a free gift trip or voucher, a spoof call posing as a top management of the company, a fake email originating from the CEO or top management to the head of departments to act in a particular way, an email attachment disguised as .zip or .pdf.exe or .pdf.ra with an inbuilt payload, a special advisory to your file was deleted and detected and accessed last night, your services is terminated, shipping receipt reattached, FBI letter code 432, know who is dating your boss, click here. You will like this love letter from Rusa. Your phone number is being used by xxx.com. A Google document attack is conducted by tricking a victim to open a Google Doc or a document coming from an unknown sources or a known sources. As soon as the victim opens the document, the attacker tricks the user to log in via Gmail credential. That is how the credential gets hacked or compromised.